Hey, so today we are going to be talking about creating a Statamic plugin, specifically a Statamic plugin for fetching, caching, and displaying a YouTube channel's videos. Currently, there are no plugins to do this. Thankfully, that's all about to change. What's incredible about today's video is you're going to see just how quick and easy it can be to use AI to vibe code out a plugin for an existing project. What you're seeing right now is the end result of what we're going to be creating, a very straightforward and easy way to keep your Laravel blog and your YouTube channel in sync at all times. If you are new to vibe coding or using AI to help write code, this video will be a great introduction. And if you do have some experience, pay close attention to the prompt optimization section. You'll likely be really surprised at what a little prompt optimization can do to improve your results. We're going to be using the latest version of Cursor to build this, and I honestly could not believe how smooth things went. All right, let's go. Okay, on the left side of your screen, you'll see I have my original prompt that I was going to use. And on the right side, I have my refined prompt. Now, the original prompt is over 130 lines and it's 582 words versus the refined prompt of 286 words and under 40 lines. Basically, once I created this first prompt, I could see that it was getting a little unwieldy. Now, I think it still would have worked, but by taking this prompt and then feeding that into, in this case, Google Gemini, I said, hey, how can I refine this prompt down into something a little more manageable? And this is what we came up with. Now, up next, we'll see what happens when we put this into Cursor and let it get to work. All right, I'm going to do my best to explain what's going on here. This is Cursor in motion. We've given it the prompt at this point, and now it has just finished the initial run through, and it's set up a local package, and we've got all the files. We're getting it set up in Composer. That's kind of the cool thing. At the end of this, we are going to have a public Composer package that anyone can install into their blog. So this isn't just like a one-off thing we're creating. When we get all done, it'll be a complete package. So that's pretty cool. Now that we've got it all set up, we're just starting up the blog, and here you can see the result. This is the original backend. And I could have left it like that, but it's not exactly taking advantage of Statamic in any way. It's just sort of punting and going to this plain HTML page. But for right now, that was enough. I just proved that it was working. I could see that it was showing up on the home page. From there, it's all about modifying the templates and getting everything to look the way I want it to look. On the front end, and then later we're going to go back and clean up the back end and make it an actual integrated Statamic plugin, so to speak. So here we're just cleaning up a few errors, and then boom, there's our latest video list. So we can either pull in the latest video or the latest videos if you want a list of multiple items. And then now we're getting into the back end and getting all that cleaned up. And now we're going to finally get into the last part of the project and getting the back end all the way cleaned up so other people can use this. And yeah, that's what we come up with, is this pretty nice interface that works in the Statamic backend. And yeah, I think it turned out really great. It's just a one button click to sync your videos, and it's pretty easy to add if you want a loop or a latest video. Yeah, I couldn't be more happy with this, and it was so quick and easy. I mean, just one good prompt got this whole plugin done. Okay, so where does this leave us? Here's kind of our in summation. I couldn't be happier with how this project turned out. In my last video, I was talking about AI coding with anti-gravity, and it went really poorly, and I just felt like that was a really bad representation of vibe coding. I don't want to give the impression that it's anything less than amazing. If you watched, you saw how quickly I was able to generate a composer package, get it configured, work through errors, and get it published all in the real time. Took maybe a couple hours at most. If I would have had to do this without Cursor, it would have been a nightmare. I would have had to dig through the documentation, and just it would have been a lot of work. And with one prompt, Cursor was able to just bang out this exact thing that I wanted. In fact, I had originally over-engineered the prompt. It needed way less information than I thought. So yeah, there will be links in the description to the package and the repo that has all this code if you want to check it out. I encourage you to do so. If you found this video helpful, please like it or leave a comment. I'm really new to this, so let me know what you think, please. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video.